Hi YouTube, on today's video we'll be doing 5 things. First, we'll be unboxing the ZeBlaze Thor 6 full Android 10 smartwatch. This is a 4G sports smartwatch that has a micro SIM card, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and is independent, so it can run as a full phone on the watch, multitasking, FaceTime, video conferencing, all of that. The second thing we're gonna be doing is unboxing the Morpheus wireless stereo Bluetooth headset, the HP4500R headphones that are available at Micro Center for free. There's a coupon going around Facebook and Instagram, and you can get this headset for free. It's pretty good. It has very good battery life and loudness level. The volume goes really high. The third thing we're gonna be doing is showing you the JBL true wireless headphones, and after that we're going to pair the Morpheus wireless headsets or headphones with a phone, with a Samsung Galaxy phone, Samsung Galaxy Note phone. I'm going to show you how to use this headset or these headphones. After that, we are going to pair the Morpheus wireless headphones with the Thor 6, with the ZeBlaze Thor 6, and then we're gonna pair the JBL Endurance Peak true wireless headphones or headset here with the ZeBlaze Thor 6 smartwatch. After that, we will take the watch and put it in our watch collection. I'll show you a little bit of the watch collection I have. Also, we'll have a close-up of all of these devices once they're unboxed to show you the details, the craftsmanship, the buttons, all of that stuff before we start pairing. So let's get started, shall we? First things we're gonna do here is take out gizmo here, and we're gonna start unboxing the ZeBlaze Thor 6 smartwatch. In the meanwhile, while I unbox this watch, let me explain to you how these videos usually go. I have timestamps in the description below to all the sections we talked about earlier. You can jump to different sections by clicking on these timestamps, send you to a different part of the video. You can check the unboxings, the close-up of the devices. You can check the how to connect, pair, and use these devices with the smartwatch. You can also watch the Morpheus Bluetooth headphones being connected to the Android phone. You can skip to watch the watch collection at the end. Also, I will leave in the description below links to all the music you're listening to right now. It's all it's music by myself, by OsoX. I'm the artist on the music. You can check that in the description below, as well as other videos showing you what I don't show you in this particular video. Maybe pairing with a different phone or different kind of Bluetooth headsets, different Bluetooth stereo headphones. I have a video showing you the JBL Endurance Peak being paired with a smart phone. I don't do that on this video because I already have a video for that. So let's continue. Now we're gonna start pairing the Morpheus HP4500 stereo Bluetooth headphones with an Android smartwatch, in this case the Samsung Galaxy Note. To do that we need to either scan our fingerprint first to turn on the screen and unlock the phone, or we need to turn on the screen and then scan our fingerprint on the screen. Now we put the headphones into pairing mode. Always when you wanna connect your headphones, your Bluetooth devices, you need to put it into pairing mode. We do that by pressing the on key or the on button and keep pressing on it until it starts flashing. That means it's into pairing mode. Now on the device we are gonna turn on Bluetooth, and we turn on Bluetooth on the phone by using the drop down menu on any screen. Tap on the Bluetooth logo and it will turn on Bluetooth and start scanning for any nearby devices. That includes devices that are in pairing mode, like the HP4500R right here. We can see it on the list. Tap on it or scan again to see the device again. And one thing that's worth mentioning is that these Bluetooth headphones, and most Bluetooth headphones, only work connected to one device at a time, so you can only pair it with one device. So if this isn't the first time you're pairing the device, you have to disconnect and pair the device from any other phone or smartwatch. These headphones have to be unpaired before you can connect it to your smartphone or the smartwatch we have in here. Now if we want to connect it to any other devices, we need to grab the Bluetooth headset and unpair it on the device, on the previous device. And now we put it into pairing mode by pressing the on switch, keep pressing on it, and it's gonna to go into pairing mode to pair it with a new device. Now to pair it with the Thor 6, we go into settings, we look for connections, Bluetooth, the Bluetooth menu up there. On Bluetooth, device name Thor 6, pair a device. We look for the HP4500, which it's already into pairing mode, and sometimes it seems to be able to reconnect once it has seen the device once. It's able to connect again without using the pairing mode. So Bluetooth menu, see all devices. There it is, the HP4500. Now I'm gonna show you how to pair the JBL Endurance Peak True wireless stereo Bluetooth headphones with the ZeBlaze Thor 6. And I'm gonna show you how to pair it with the phone because I have another video showing you that on my other channel. So these are the JBL Endurance Peak. We need to take the right earpiece, unhook it, open it, that turns it on. Now we tap on the JBL logo twice and we keep pressing on it until it goes into pairing mode. It's gonna start blinking or change, or the light is gonna change color. That means it's into pairing mode. We go to the watch, go to the main menu, we go to connect or connections. We look for Bluetooth. In this case it's gonna be JBL Endurance Peak. We tap on it. The light is gonna change color, which means it's connected and is ready to get phone audio and call audio. Again, you have to disconnect this Bluetooth headset from any other devices before you can connect it to the smartwatch. Alright, so that was how to connect any or your Bluetooth stereo headphones or headset to an Android smartwatch, to a Galaxy Note, or a full Android smartwatch. Before I leave you, I'm gonna add the new Android smartwatch to my watch collection here. On the right you can see an Android Wear OS watch. Let's add the new watch. This was also X. Thank you for watching, and as always, peace.